Hello, my name is Majid Bazrafshan and I'm a lead consultant in the global optimization practice of FICO. I would like to welcome you to the first of an 18-part video tutorial series on FICO Xpress optimization. In this tutorial, I will give you a brief overview of Express optimization and explain how FICO Xpress Mosel fits in. First, I would like to define optimization and why you need it. Optimization is the mathematical process of finding the best decision for a given business problem within a defined set of goals and constraints. Once a niche discipline, it is now a best practice at market-leading organizations to address a wide range of complex business decisions. FICO Xpress optimization is comprised of solutions and technology. While the focus of our tutorial is on the technology, it is useful to see how it all fits together. The solutions are used by business users and business analysts. The technology is typically used by operations researchers, data scientists, and solution developers. Optimization solutions at FICO address a variety of business problems in a wide array of industries. FICO isn't just about banking. We service the world leaders in airline, energy, telco, e-commerce, and more. To give you a single example, Southwest Airlines saves $50 million a year with our solution. Express optimization has the widest set of industry-leading solvers. Express optimization also includes Xpress Mosel, the premier analytic orchestration, optimization modeling, and programming language. Express has industry-leading collaborative integrated development environment. It comes with a comprehensive user interface as well as visualization and reporting configuration options. Express also has a wide range of execution options. While our technology has 4 components: Express Insight, Express Executor, Express Solver, and Express Workbench, we are here to focus on Express Workbench because Mosel is part of Express Workbench. Express Workbench also includes integrated development environment for developing models, services, and solutions. Express Workbench also includes Mosel language and analytic orchestration, optimization modeling, and programming language, which directly supports R, Python, MATLAB, and Express BCL. Why FICO Xpress Mosel from a technical perspective? Here are a couple of reasons. Express Mosel is both modeling and programming. It is portable across operating systems. It is fast and scalable. It can talk to just about any data source. And there are many more reasons, some of which are listed here. So to summarize, Express Mosel is part of a bigger product line. Mosel is, in essence, the secret sauce of FICO Xpress optimization. Now that we know what are the core components of FICO Xpress optimization, I think we are ready to move on to the next part of our series, Introduction to the Express IVE Development Environment. Thank you for joining me on this short video tutorial series.